Hello there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we're talking about some of the best coffee makers on all of Amazon. This one, you guys, is not exactly a coffee maker. It's even better than that. It's the Breville Duo Temp Pro. This is going to be an amazing espresso maker. This is going to have you making all of your coffee, specialty drinks, and espresso like a pro at home. You guys, this is going to be a really, really powerful machine. It's 1600 watts, which is going to allow for your water temperature to be heated at exactly the same amount the entire time. It's going to make sure that all of those espresso flavors are extracted exactly the way they're supposed to be. It's going to have this pre-filter pressure that draws out everything evenly. So all of your sweetness, all of your bitterness, all of the acidity, all of those flavors that you love about your espresso, it's going to come out because of that pre-pressure. It's going to come out exactly perfectly every single time. It's going to be heated exactly evenly every single time. So you're going to get the best tasting espresso every time. Plus, this machine, not only, does it have all of that power, all of that quality, all of that precision, it also is going to allow you to, steam and froth your milk perfectly, exactly like they do in the coffee shops. You can do your own cappuccino and latte art. It's going to be a really, really fun thing. Totally add to your morning routine, save you money, save you time. And this entire machine, not only is it easy to learn, easy to get familiar with, even though it's really powerful, it's going to be low maintenance, and it's going to be something that you don't even have to think about, because it's going to tell you when the drip tray needs to be clean. It's going to tell you when the entire system needs to be cleaned and walk you through that process. It is totally easy, totally beautiful. If you have been thinking about an espresso machine, especially because we're all working from home more, and that's just something that's going to add so much to your life. This is beautiful, it's fun, it's super high quality, and it comes with an awesome warranty too, so you guys can buy risk-free and knowing that Breville's going to take care of you if anything goes wrong. So go ahead and put this in your cart. You'll be super glad that you did.